I should learn English.
We should try.
We should try.
I should worry.
Ramesh should learn music.
I need your help.
Help.
Please do not worry.
Please do not worry. That's it.
You should rest.
तुम्हें रेस्ट करना चाहिए. तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए. Got it right.
I will try later.
I will try later. Yes. मुझे आराम नहीं करना चाहिए. I should not rest. Got it.
You should help people.
You should help people. That's right. हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए. We should try.
We should try.
I think so, right? Yes, it's right.
We should help them.
We should help them. हमें मदद करनी चाहिए. और उनकी मदद. हम आराम करेंगे. We will take rest.
Try to learn.
सीखने की कोशिश करो. मेरी माँ को चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए. My mother should not worry. रमेश को संगीत सीखना चाहिए. रमेश should learn
music.
रमेश should learn music. मुझे चिंता करनी चाहिए. I should should worry. ये सही होगा. That's right.
We should help them.
हमें उनकी मदद करना चाहिए. We should. हमें उनकी मदद करनी चाहिए. We should help them. We got 14 points. What the